So we're preparing to go to Ala Archa today. And we just woke up, take a bath, and everyone is in the restroom now. So I'll get another video log after blowing my hair and doing the makeup. Okay, guys, humingi kami ng kape, di kami makakapag-breakfast kasi 7:30 kailangan na namin umalis. Ayan. 8 a.m. pa ang breakfast here sa hotel. And guys, medyo ready na kami for our day tour. So, sunod ko lang to para hindi ko na siya bitbitin. Ito ang day 2. Welcome to my vlog. Day 2 will be going to Ala Archa. Ala Archa. Hindi ko napapakita yung CR. Ayan, the girls, they're ready na. Are you ready na? We need to go there by 7:30. Our meet-up time, the start of the tour is 8:30 a.m. So we didn't have breakfast on the hotel. We just took the break. This is our hotel and our last day today here before we transfer to Kazakhstan. And this is where the kitchen is and the restaurant. But unfortunately, we couldn't have the breakfast because we're so early. We'll be picked up early, 7:30, and the resto is open at 8 a.m. Do you know what time it is? It's 7:30 a.m. and this dark outside. See, it's still very dark. It's still very dark. Tulog, oo. Baka 10 a.m. pa. Di ba kahapon alas 9 nung lumiwanag?
Nag-book pala kami ng taxi through Yandex app at 246 som yung aming binayaran.
Kami ngayon sa Bishkek Station. Ayan, Avenue 1. Dito kami maghihintay. Bakit wala? Ayan. Ang aga namin dito guys, 7:30. 8 daw yung pick-up point. Pasok muna siguro tayo. Oh. Ayan si Jess. Time check 0 degrees. Bishkek. And there's Maricel. Of course. We are the only people here. Tama ba yung binabaan namin? Baka mamaya hindi. Guys. Wow. Oy, galing. Ang ganda ako dito. Madami.
Madami yung kay Jess. Dapat yung sa'yo din madami.
Pero kita naman.
Kita naman.
Kita?
Kita?
Oo. Talk, pausap. Lamig. 0 degrees.
Yan! Nag-yosi yan.
Ang dami nila. No.
Ang dami. Kasi maliwanag na.
Sakto naman ng sunrise. Ba't wala pa nagpaparamdam? Daming ibon. Usok check! Ayan. Nakikita nyo ba? Pag nagsasalita. Ting pa rin kami dito sa Bishkek Railway Station. Iniba daw yung meet-up point 8:30. So 10 minutes, darating na yung aming driver. Hopefully, i-research ko na lang kung anong part to. Nasa harap ng Bishkek Station. Ito pala ay MV Prus statue. Nasa harap ng Bishkek Railway Station. See? It's the railway station and the train going somewhere. So we're heading to Ala Archa. Yes, correct. At least not that traffic yet, no? At this time.
It's about 4,200, 3,900, so around this.
Sunrise. Good morning, sunshine. Hi dear. Turkish University. Everyone is awake now, huh? Everyone on the go to work and school.
That's why I love traffic here.
Just
In Kyrgyzstan,
So, no Russian movies.
we have Russian movies. You see, this road is like new, but before that it was a lot poplars, and the Putin came here 2 or 3 days ago.
Yeah.
So we met him here.
This is the parliament.
And they go.
Oh, ganda.
Sometimes I like to do some hiking.
Uh-huh.
And very good, like very clear, sunny, and I hear something like someone very far.
Yeah.
He's
Ganda, oh. Guys, ang ganda dito. Wala na yung stress ko sa work. Kailangan talaga natin to every now and then to recharge.
Salamin ka nagmo-moisten.
Alright, sasakay ng buggy to Ala Archa. Ganda, oh. I'm going to the bar. To Ala Archa. Yeah, 10 minutes. Yes.
Pasensya na po sa mga malabong kuha kasi mali yung settings ng Insta360 ko. So, although gloomy talaga yung weather this day, kaya lang talagang mali din yung settings, kaya bluish halos yung kuha ko sa Insta360. So, bear with me guys, pasensya na po.
Guys, dito meron silang saksakan. Sakay ka lang to charge. Tapos itong area na to for ladies.
Etong first stop, may mga restaurant dito. Pwede kayong bumaba if gusto nyo guys.
So only 2,000 more.
only 2,000.
Flex ko pala guys yung malaopa naming tour guide na si Anbar. Ang gwapo, di ba? Ay!
See some vultures sometimes, but
Ooh.
not sometimes. Usually you can see them.
Whitish.
Whitish. So it has 2 meanings. Allah, it means whitish, and it means also colorful.
Ah, yeah.
And archa, it's a pine trees in our language. So colorful pine
Colorful
trees.
pines.
Other kind of. So we are here now.
Mhm.
So we will walk until here and we will see. We will decide what to do. And, in general, this site is very popular to do some hiking because there is a like this kind of like a hotel,
Uh-huh.
and you can sleep there. You can spend there one night, And usually, why this place is very popular, because in the next day they will go to the other tops because they are very near. So
Mhm.
one day you will go to this top, and after you will come back, and after like this.
Oh,
And it's from here to get there. It takes about 5 hours.
Wow.
There's some people who doing from here to this top, and after they go back to here, or also
And
to
smart
this
people doing horses.
lamig.
Сутки? Нет, они спят.
Lakad lang tayo. Ako yung gumaganon. Diyos ko, kailangan ko siguro mag-gloves.
Okay, give me your hand.
Ayan guys, magpipid kami ng animals. May nakita na silang squirrel and sabi maraming maliliit na birds dito.
Чуть ниже, ниже, не дайте еще руку чуть ниже, еще
Ayan,
ниже,
oh,
ниже,
ang
ниже,
cute.
ниже.
Nakakaintindi
Она
kaya
должна
ng
знать,
Russian
что у
yung
вас на руке есть.
squirrel. Joke
Она
lang.
подойдет к вам, и она
So
будет кушать.
cute.
Yeah. It's good? You wanna
Yeah.
try?
Kailangan patient ka daw maghintay. Kaso, nilalamig na yung kamay ko. Nagyayelo na siya. Sobrang lamig. Wala pa lumalapit. Try and try lang tayo guys hanggang sa may lumapit. Inshallah.
In terms of the red squirrels are a little different.
Yes.
Wala pa nagpapakita ulit na red squirrel. Sana meron ulit.
Just sit here, sit.
Ayun, may isang cute.
Open.
May ginawa ng bahay para sa kanila. Tambayan nila. Ang cute. Kaso mailap siya. Ayaw niyang lumapit sa amin.
And the birds also. Birds. Usually the small ones are not coming.
Yun.
Super gloomy talaga guys. Walang pumapasok na liwanag ng araw dito sa lugar namin.
Where? Which side?
This side and also
Yay! After patiently waiting, ang dami nang lumapit sa akin. Yay!
Okay.
What kind of bird?
I'm not really sure what kind of bird is it.
Oh, wait.
I don't remember.
Ikaw ba nag...
Familiar.
No.
Wala, sige, ikaw naman. Sige.
Okay, let's go.
There's another one. Yeah.
There you go. What's the try?
Иногда да, бывает. Да, да.
Ang dami. Guys, ang dami. So this is the real habitat. Red squirrel. Cute.
птичка.
Don't be shy. He's thinking well.
Ayaw pang lumapit ni Squirrel. Nahihiya pa siya. Nagkamot pa. Nagkamot pa. Ayaw niya. Hey, where are you going? Puro hiking lang tayo dito guys. Saka sightseeing. Saka feeding ng animals. Kasi park nga ito.
Stay. I can take. The helicopter, I think.
Ah,
Yeah, helicopter is there. It's coming.
helicopter! Usok check muna tayo guys. Di ba ang lamig? Tingnan nyo naman yung outfit namin. Mas malamig dito kaysa dun sa Supara, Chunkorcha. Guys, super lamig sa Ala Archa. It's -1 but I think it feels like -3 or 5 or more. Because look at our OOTD. It's too much.
9 hours.
Uh-huh.
So on that trip, so I wanted to sit in one place and I wanted to smoke.
Yes.
Then I sit on the rock and I smoking and I start to see the view. And I see that like I'm sitting on the rock, yeah, I see the view and I see that on the middle of the mountain, there's a statue of Ibex.
Uh-huh.
And I start to think, okay, so when it was built, who, by whom, and
Yeah, correct.
what for?
Yeah.
So after 10 seconds, it moves. I thought it's a statue, but it was
A real.
yeah,
real ibex.
ibex.
May batis na dito guys. Nakaka-relax yung sound. Ganda guys. Here. And then dito may batis or stream. Ayan siya. Ewan ko kung may falls dito. Malayo-layo pa yung lalakad namin.
And
And
they
I
will
saw-
leave only for this weather? They
Huh?
can
Yes,
leave in
magsalita ka.
weather?
Yeah, no problem.
No, because there is the cable there.
I
There's
saw,
some
I
that-
saw maybe
Ah.
from here, maybe from to that trees. I saw them, and you know it looks like one man is sitting like this. About 50.
Ayan
60.
guys, meron daw vultures dito pero kulay white siya. Di pa ako nakakakita ng ganun. 25 to 35 years. Thanks. Ayan yung spring guys. Batis pa lang. Ganda no? Nice. Very nice. Kahit malayo yung nilalakad namin, parang hindi kami napapagod kasi nakaka-relax yung view. Metal yurt for the gas. mountain. Pala yung aming tour guide si Anbar. And one of our photoists from Russia, si Katarina. Ayan, 4 lang kami yung babae na tinutour ni Anbar. For today's video. For today's video. Ayan, ang bagal namin kasi panay photos and videos namin, guys. I just love to post in Instagram.
I like Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram is the aesthetic. The
Yeah.
aesthetic one. This is very good. And the lake is, it's not a lake, it's a river. It's frozen. Let's go there. It's freezing, freezing, freezing. So where is this coming from? There's a waterfall.
No, it's coming from the spring water.
Spring water. So it means
That's
just
why.
mountain.
That's why it's not. Yeah. That's why it's not melting.
But the spring water you can drink, right?
Yeah. Now you can drink, but in summertime, because of the snow is melting.
You cannot. Ang ganda ng view na to, oh. Andyan yung araw. Picturean kita. Ayun pala, may konting parang falls. Spring water pwede daw inumin. Kasi from the mountain, yes. One last photo and video. Wow! On a lake.
Yeah, I think so. Really? Yeah, I think you guys visa free. Yeah.
That's
Because we are visa free too.
Guys, ang ganda dito sa area na to. Diba? Ang saya, ang lamig. Ayan yung frozen, patties. Galing daw sa mountain. Pwede mong inumin, except pag nagme-melt ang snow kasi may sumasama mga dumi. So, but spring water. So, spring water meaning galing sa bundok or katas ng bundok, mga puno, gano'n. Alright. Lakad lang. Pabalik na kami, guys. Kasi gusto pa namin pumunta sa market para makita yung mga rep magnet souvenirs. Kasi we don't have time. 2 p.m. We're going to Kazakhstan. So, kailangan makapag-lunch muna kami. Hindi na kami nag-breakfast. Ano ba yan? No kain. Ayan, nagpakita na rin ng araw. Salamat.
So look at every truck. It's decorated. Every truck like this.
Sure.
You will have a 1 subscriber.
I hope to see it on Instagram.
Yes, correct. We will post it for sure. This is... it's good. Ganda. Sunshine! Ayan, dami ng tao. Kanina kami lang. Yan na, may araw na, guys. Ayan na, tingnan nyo. Ganda. Usok check. Grabe no, ang ganda. Kahit hindi pa full winter wonderland, ang ganda pa rin ng place. Saka, guys, kahit malamig, ang presko talaga ng hangin. Ang sarap huminga. Ang ganda. Ayaw pa naming umalis. Kaso kailangan na naming umalis. Arca Cafe. Ala Arca Cafe. Ah, shit.
Inside there is a one man.
Uh-huh.
He's carrying all this place. He's like a worker.
Uh-huh.
Worker here. So, and also this man is living here. Then of course,
He likes you, huh?
you think you believe?
Wow, wow. It's wow. This is wow. Wow. This place is wow. See? Ang ganda. Ay, ang sarap talaga mag-travel. Nakakawala ng stress. Lalo na pag ganito kaganda yung makikita mo. Thank you, Lord po. Thank you, Lord. Cheese daw to, natural. Kuha ko dalawa. And Kyrgyzstan. This. And what else? I think I only have two. How much is your rep magnet? Grocery. Namili ng rep magnet, saka nagtitingin ng mga pagkain. Ay, yung nuts. Ano yan? Parang sweets. Bibili ka? Let's try. Pili tayo isa. Ito, try natin. Try natin.
Yes.
How to eat this? In a crack? Is this ready to eat?
Yes.
No need to crack.
This one is ready to eat, but
You have to crack it.
no, it's too dry. You know, it's better to make a tea with this.
Ah, okay.
You will make a tea.
Ayan, dami namin nabili. This is 2,170 songs, less than 100 dirhams. Sin ko na.
Ano masarap?
Pabalik na kami sa syudad. Pabalik na kami sa syudad. Ayan, ito yung mga pinabili namin. 4,200 songs, 2,000, bali 3,000 pala yung sa akin. Sa kanya 3,000 din. 4,2. Ito, anong tawag yan?
Chocolate.
Anong cheese yan? Cheese. Ito daw cheese na anong lasa? Salty and sour. Okay, I'll try it, guys. Babalik na kami sa Bishkek, guys. 40 minutes ride mula dun sa Ala Archa hanggang dun sa Bishkek City again. Ay, di ba? Ang ganda. Manali picture. Hi!
Yes. Yes.
Charge ko na yan. Kaya nga. Ayan ang maganda. Ginagaya ko yung mga vlogger kung paano sila kumuha ng picture. Ayan, nandito sa bintana. Ay, ganda. Oh, diba?
Siyempre kayo saan?
This is the Parliament building. Bishkek State University. Ayan guys, tapos na ang aming day 2 tour sa Kyrgyzstan. Babalik kami sa hotel and then magbibiyahe na papunta sa border ng Kazakhstan. Fast forward after naming mag-lunch at magbiyahe ng 20 minutes.
The border. Kasi may mga military.
Ito na yan. Baka... Oh, kaya ano doon, madami. Ito na yung border. Ayan oh. Welcome to Kazakhstan! It's colder and this is our service from the airport to Good Hotel. I think it's colder? Guys, we reach Kazakhstan and it's 4 degrees here. Thank God, na-reach namin na walang problema. Okay, so andito na yung service namin. Kinakarga yung aming mga luggage. Okay. Isa namin sa Kyrgyzstan, tinataka ng in and out. November 30, December 1. Tag name. Kersh. Ano kaya meaning? Dito na kami sa Kazakhstan guys. At dahil napakalaki ng Kazakhstan, it will take us 4 hours to reach the city center of Almaty. 4 hours from the borders of Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. Simula na ng mahabang biyahe guys. Pero kahit naman mahaba ang biyahe, ang ganda naman ng view ng mga dadaanan namin. Siguro mas magical to kung winter wonderland na talaga dito sa Kazakhstan. Pero as of now is end pa lang ng autumn, kaya makikita nyo puro dry yung mga puno, mga naglagas na sila. Almost 4 hours travel pa to Almaty City Center from the airport. So pahinga muna kami. And ito yung mga dinadaanan namin. It's ganda. Ang ganda naman ng view, nakaka-relax. Wow! Super ganda. Ginabi na kami sa aming biyahe. Wala pang 6 PM pero madilim na. Ang aga kasi talaga ng sunset dito.
Parang ano na siya, hotel. Parang hotel apartment.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Almaty City Center. Kaya medyo traffic na. Ewan ko kung ilang minuto pa para ma-reach namin yung hotel. Pero malapit na siguro. 6 PM na here. Time check. Local time, 6 PM. Kami sa aming hotel, Kot Hotel, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Photo op muna. Hotel. 102. 102, yay! Check-in na kami sa Kot Hotel, guys. Dito lang kami sa first floor. Room 102. Samahan nyo kami mag-room tour.
Ay, wow. Sosyal. Modern siya masyado. Ay, may couch. Ang linis.
At may patubig na. Oh, ayan, ang tubig na.
Nice naman. Ang maganda dito yung living room. Wow, may living room. Wala lang TV. Saan? Ay, ito pala. Wow. Ay, wala akong nakita.
Wala.
Wala.
Ayan.
Yay! Yay!
Ito,
May AC ba tayo dyan?
meron. Ito yung CR, guys. Ganda. Ang taba ko naman dito. Taba ko talaga. Tsaka ayan yung ano, kulay gold. Pwede bang isang lato? Pwede isang gold. And ito yung shower area. Ayan, merong ano, anti-slip mat. Nice, no? Very neat. Very neat. So, ito yung main door. May blower. Teka, check natin. Meron. Tapos dito, sleepers. May sleepers pa. Yung ano. Oo. Oh, yun. Nakaupo na agad siya doon.
Diba?
Parang magiging drawing na naman yung ano. Ito pala yung cabinet namin. May bathrobe. Girl, pwede mag-TikTok na naka-bathrobe. Ito ang ating
At ang
chinelas.
maganda may ano.
May full size mirror. Diba? May full size mirror. Para pag may makeup.
OOTD check.
OOTD check. TikTok check. Yan.
Diba? Ang galing.
Tapos na ang aming room tour. Merong double bed and single bed. Dito ako sa single. Ang ganda. Ano meron sa sa bintana? Wala akong makita. Oh my God, hindi maganda yung bintana namin. Ayan, meron silang 3 cups. Ang social, no? 3 cups, di ba? Tapos ang social ng baso. Pwede ba itong ninokin? At may patubig. Yan. Yan ang maganda. At may TV. May remote. May AC. May heater. Ano meron dito? Yan. Tapos, ito ba ang AC? Uy, ano yan? Control panel. Ito ang AC. Ayan ang AC. On. Sa ilaw pala yan.
Ay! Sorry.
Alam niyo ba guys, kailangan nyo magdala ng tabo sa Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. Kasi wala silang bidet. Sa Europe yata talaga hindi nag-bidet. Ito ay portable tabo. Yung iba nagdadala ng portable bidet. Ayan, naka-fold siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan, sabi ni Maricel, we recommend this hotel for the aesthetics, the cleanliness, cleanliness, simpleness, and accessibility. Dahil naka-keycard pa, Tapos may TV, yung aircon, yung ilaw, yayamanin, may living room. Diba? Tapos ito talaga, hindi mo na kailangan mag-init sa kettle. May hot water pa. Hindi mo na kailangan manghingi ng bottled water. Good hotel. This is the restaurant. Kakain muna kami, guys. Dinner. Walking. Kain muna kami, guys. Usok check. Usok check. Maglalak. Ay, grabe. 0 degrees daw dito. Pero parang mas malamig. Ang hotel, kala namin dyan kami. Pero hindi kami dyan. Napadpad sa Khachapuri restaurant, Georgian restaurant. Ganda. Parang fine dining dito. Guys, parang fine dining dito. Parang fine dining dito. Hello. Good evening.
Super ganda dito guys sa restaurant. Fine dining siya. Ang cozy, no? Tapos very Christmassy pa kasi ang daming lights. May Christmas light. Meron din silang nagpe-perform doon sa may harap. Ang lakas romantic ng vibes. Guys, need nyo ng Google Translate kasi hindi lahat sa kanila ay marunong mag-English. Like nitong si Kuya, Russian siya. So, medyo hirap kami makipag-communicate. Pero nakukuha naman sa mga senyas, saka Google Translate. Tama yan. By performer din from Georgia. And kailangan ko lang i-mute yung kanyang tinutugtog kasi baka mas copyright tayo, guys.
Rice.
The Reese, okay.
Rice.
Rice is rice.
How many? 3?
Rice 3?
Yeah.
Good. Just one moment.
Oh, birthday mo ulit. Ito yung narinig natin sa Azerbaijan ng birthday ni Jess.
Nasa Georgia kami, this week nakalabas kami, girl. Ito na yung ating bar kami.
Ay, hindi pala.
Na naman, namamali na naman tayo.
Oh.
Kaya na sa hotel.
Oh, ito, Riz. Riz ang pangalan mo, hindi Rice, ha? Tandaan mo, ha?
Beef with vegetable, yeah? Beef with vegetable.
Yeah, bake. Ay, huwag mo na, hindi niya naintindihan.
Okay.
Okay, open. Chanaki. Yeah, open.
I'll take video.
Yeah.
Открыть надо, открыть.
Oh.
Все, да? Все.
No problem.
Parang yung kinain din natin plov, saka yung kinakain sa biryani sa Abu Dhabi. May takip. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kinkali with mushroom. Kain na tayo, guys. First dinner sa fine dining restaurant. Ayan, this is my plate. Kainin mo siya, bubutasin dito, di ba? Tapos sisip-sipin. Pero ito, walang sabaw. I'm eating gin curry, mushroom, no soup. Wala. Magkano nga yung kinain natin dito?
Grabe, girl. So expensive. 27,000.
27,000? Oh my God. 27,000. Thank you. Thank you. Recommended restaurant ko to, guys. Ang sarap ng mga food nila. At imagine, 3 kami ang kinain namin. 150 dirhams lang. 150 dirhams lang. Ano yung 50 dirhams per person? That's sa Dubai, 150. Isang steak lang yun. Dito kami sa labas, naghahanap kami ng groceries. Bibili kami ng wine. Wine pa sa lubong, saka mga tea. Inshallah. Oh, ano to? Mga drinks. Puro drinks. Wala kaming makita. Pag nag-search ako sa Google, ang lalayo. Puro cafe. Hanap kaming grocery store. Puro cafe ang nakikita ko. Kebab, doner. Kebab nila ang sosyal. 400 tenge. Ang dami. Wow. O, ito pa, isa pang restaurant. I-try din natin yan. Restaurant ba to? Bakery. Uy, yung lumalabas sa Google Map malayo. So, bumalik na kami sa hotel guys kasi wala din kami makitang groceries. And maaga kasi kami aalis bukas, 4 a.m. Guys, tingnan niyo yung ano, tingnan niyo. Yung mukha. Oh, so, ayan oh, nag-ano siya, nag-close. Dahil sa lamig, guys. Dito na lang ako titira. Nasa maling bansa ako. Dito na lang ako titira. Kaso walang trabaho dito. Oho. Galing, no?